Hi guys, guess what? I'm in the kitchen cooking again, so I'm working on the Chex Mix. I'm not going to do the whole demo for Chex Mix for you, but I came up with some really good ideas that I wanted to share with some mamas. You might not have all the ingredients for a meal or for Chex Mix or for snacks or whatever. So, if you don't have Chex Mix in the house, guess what? You can make like a trail mix with Cherios. How brilliant is that? So Cherios will taste great. If you don't have pretzels, you can put in nuts or goldfish or the little square cheesy crackers, Cheez-Its, pretzels, nuts. It calls for mixed nuts. I had cashew nuts. The W sauce, that's probably yeah, you know what that is. But that's probably the main thing that you can't switch out, or I haven't been able to figure to switch out. You want chocolate in there. I don't have any M&Ms, so I'm using the semi-sweet chocolate chips that I had frozen. And so anyway, if you want the recipe, I'm going to read it to you guys so that you can just go ahead and make something today and just do whatever it is you want to do. But it's 3 cups each of cereal. Obviously, you can break that down if you want to. Oh, and here, check this out. You can actually freeze this mix for 4 to 6 months. So I was worried about doing a batch that's too big. You know, the mega bowl that we have, I didn't want to do one that big because it's just for Greg and I. But when I asked Alexa and she told me that you can freeze it for 4 to 6 months, I'm super excited. So I'm making a whole batch. But anyway, so 3 cups of each of the Corn Chex, the Rice Chex, and the Wheat Chex. And by the way, they come in chocolate and cinnamon and all sorts of other flavors, honey nut. That's what made me think of Cherios. You can actually do this with Cherios also, or you can even incorporate different cereals in there. Let's see. You want 6 tablespoons of butter, right? And 2 tablespoons of W sauce, the 1.5 teaspoons of seasoned salt. You might have saw the other day I didn't have seasoned salt, so I made a blend. That recipe is somewhere on my page. And 3/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm sure I'll have a couple of bloopers that I can show you, but then you put it in the oven at 250 for about an hour, so it's a really low temperature, and it gets them all nice and crispy, crunchy. And you just lay them out and let them cool off, and then you can put them in a freezer container or whatever kind of container you have that can go in the freezer. You can do the little snack cups that we have. You can do all sorts of different stuff. You can do powdered sugar on them. Look at this, Chex Mix Muddy Buddies. You add peanut butter and a tablespoon of vanilla and some powdered sugar. So really, let's go wild and crazy and make some snacks that we can all munch on, and hopefully we don't gain too much weight while we're all on lockdown, because I'm trying to, you know, stay away from some of the ugly stuff in my pantry, but it's really tempting. Anyway, so here's my Chex Mix in here. I'm getting ready to put it in, I'm gonna put it in my Dutch oven because I like it to get a little bit extra crispy. By the way, Tupperware has cookware. If you didn't know, we'll talk about that another day. I can get it for you for free like I did. Super easy, half price. You know the whole drill for Tupperware. That's not why I'm here. So I'm just here to bring some extra hope to you guys that are looking for snacks, looking for something yummy to eat. Make yourself a hodgepodge of yumness and have a good day. And maybe we should tell each other what we're going to watch on Netflix this afternoon, right? I'm a Netflix junkie. But anyway, bye friends. I see some of you guys commenting. My glasses are on top of my head so I can't read it because I don't wear them when I'm doing video because it gets the silly glare. But anyway, I'm a little bit bored, somewhat stir crazy. I'm sure you guys are too. All those mamas out there, bless your heart. I've been quarantined for a while, so if you need help, I guess, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys somehow. Maybe we could do like videos and I'll read stories to your kids or something. But other than that, I'm making the best we can. Keep yourself positive, stay in a happy headspace, and make it an amazing day. And if you want me to make anything funny for you, well, not funny, but if you want me to cook something for you, it could be very funny because I'm not a huge cook, as you guys know. Let me know. I'm thinking about doing I've watched a video and I might be doing some peanut butter balls later. So Anyway, everybody has peanut butter in the house. I think it's peanut butter and oats and like 2 other ingredients. Super easy, no bake, my kind of thing. Anyway, ciao, see you later. Bye, y'all.